I think there are three reasons. The first reason we can go into is this is a big industry change. And the opportunity to start early in this, frankly, I see every day. That's the fingerprints of the people who got in very, very early in this change that are left all over the applications that we're seeing coming out today. It's beautiful. I think the second reason is that you see there's an entire ecosystem of companies that are forming around this. And those really, certainly we're just about to announce, our very, very wide breadth of partnerships. I think it's this ecosystem view. It's this view that it's an entire group of companies that are all going after this shared vision. I think that's a very, very important part of why this is such a big shift. And the third part is, why big? Well, let me answer that as why big switch. If we look at first on the industry transition side, look, this is the transition of the 7-layer OSI model to the 3-layer SDN model of SDN data planes, SDN controllers, and SDN applications. That is a transition that will take a decade, but that is the biggest fundamental revolution for the networking industry, certainly that I've seen in my professional career. I think on the second piece, this ecosystem, you can see the number of companies that we're launching with. Everybody recognizes that this is just a better way to build networks, and it's a better way to do networking. We have the opportunity to build fundamentally better product, and that gets a huge number of people very excited. On the third piece, why big switch? Well, selfishly speaking, we're just about to launch 3 products. We have our network controller platform, we have our network virtualization application, and we have our network monitoring application. But I think for us, the big power is not only this multiple applications, but also the incredible flexibility of deployment models that we give. We do everything from pure overlays to pure open-flow networks, and we can do the entire hybrid spectrum in between. So I think it's that flexibility and that multiple application model that so many of our customers really like. If you look at, for us, how we've wrapped the thing, we call it our entire approach of open SDN. So we've wrapped this with a big focus on open APIs, we've wrapped this with a big focus on open source, and we've wrapped this with a big focus on open standards and the ecosystem that comes with that.